So we hear about AHAs and BHAs in our skincare all the time. But what are they and which one's best for you? Today I'm going to be sharing what the different types of AHAs and BHAs are so you can decide what's most appropriate for your skin type. Let's get straight into it. Hi guys, it's Simran. AHAs and BHAs are chemical exfoliants which act in a way where they remove the uppermost surface layer of your skin, known as the epidermis, to reveal newer, more even-toned skin beneath. So there are a number of different types of AHAs, and they all work in a similar way. So they're really good with mild hyperpigmentation. They're really good with evening out your skin tone, and they may actually boost collagen production in your skin. Collagen typically tends to decrease with age, and what collagen does is it keeps your skin plump. So AHAs will act in a way where they stimulate collagen production, which minimizes the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So if used correctly, they're a superstar product. So the different types of AHAs are, the most common one is glycolic acid. Then you have a whole bunch of them. So you have mandelic acid, lactic acid, and a few others which I'll list on the screen. So alpha-hydroxy acids are fruit acids, come from sugary fruits, and they're water-soluble acids. So, for example, if you have normal skin where you're not very sensitive, you could probably try out a glycolic acid. And this is because glycolic acid has a smaller molecular structure than, say, mandelic or lactic acid. So it penetrates deeper into the skin, and it can be more tolerated by those with less sensitive skin types. On the other hand, if you have sensitive skin, I would suggest you try and go for mandelic or lactic acid, because they have a larger molecular structure. They do not go as deep into your skin, so they're a little bit more appropriate if you suffer from skin sensitivity. Glycolic acid typically comes from sugarcane. Lactic acid comes from lactose in milk, fermented dairy products, and mandelic acid actually comes from almond extracts. So that's just an interesting fun fact for you. The thing with these acids are, since they are actually removing the surface layer of your skin, they can increase sun sensitivity. So as usual, please do not forget to use your SPF to keep your skin protected. And the other thing is, when you use these acids, it's completely normal to have like a mild tingling sensation. But if you do experience like irritation, burning, a rash, please discontinue use immediately. If you're looking for a mild peel, you would look for concentration strengths of about 5%. If you're looking for a medium strength, you would look for about 10 to 15%. You do get higher concentrations, but these are usually done by a qualified dermatologist or at an aesthetic clinic, so they're not recommended for at-home peels. Okay, all with AHAs is you don't want to be using them every single day. It's best to use them maybe once a week and gradually increase your frequency. See how your skin tolerates it, because there is such a thing as too much of a good thing, and you don't want your skin to become too dry or red because of overuse of AHAs. So keep that in mind. So BHAs, the most common type is salicylic acid. So these are oil-soluble acids, and they are very good for oily, acne-prone, very congested skin, which has blackheads. And what happens is the oil-soluble salicylic acid gets into your pores, it dissolves sebum and unclogs your pores. So BHAs are great for that type of skin. they don't increase your sun sensitivity as much as AHAs do, but I would still recommend always using an SPF regardless. And the other thing is, if you have combination skin where your T-zone tends to be very oily, but the rest of your face is dry, you could actually use a combination of AHA and BHA products. So maybe use your BHA on your oily T-zone and use your AHAs on the dry portions of your face, like your cheeks and your forehead. So a combination strategy is best for combination skin. Listen to your skin. If it's not tolerating the product well, then decrease the frequency. And I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. I hope it also cleared a little bit of the confusion surrounding all these different types of acids and you trying to decide which is best for your skin type. Again, so if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting below. I do release this type of content where I focus on skincare mainly and wellness. I will see you next time. Enjoy your day. Bye.